Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Cabot. Today I want to share with you my Nifty Fifties Christmas Tablescape. I'm in my mother's 50s kitchen. I designed it for her a few years back. She had always wanted a 50s kitchen, and so this is what I came up with. We've collected lots of things, both vintage and retro. The main criteria is that it be colorful. So let's take a look around. For this Christmas tablescape, I'm using a vintage tablecloth. It has red candles on it and holly. And for the dinner plate, I'm using a red plate. For the salad plate, I've got a cute collection of vintage looking plates. I believe I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. Each one has a different Christmas item. This one's got Santa. I think there's one with a snowman and Rudolph. And I have the matching mugs. And I'm also using some vintage glasses. These are probably from around the 50s. And I'm going to use another mug. This is my cute little camper mugs. I picked these up this year at Walmart. For the flatware, I'm going to be using my polka dot flatware. I think this is a cute addition. I'm going to be using green dinner napkins, and I have a little candy cane napkin ring. For the centerpiece on this table, I've used some sort of retro looking things. I've got pipe cleaner poinsettias, and then I've put some candles. These are battery operated, but they have that old-fashioned look to them. I've used some ribbon that has a white flocked edge. Then I've got another ribbon that has some little Christmas ornaments on it. And I found, of all things, when I was at a flea market, I found some plastic holly that I thought was so retro, and I had to pick it up. I had Mother's Kitchen in mind when I saw it, and the lady that checked me out, she said, "Oh, I bet you're going to use this in your store." And I couldn't hardly keep from chuckling. I thought, no, most of my customers would have a heart attack if I put plastic holly in their stuff. But for this kitchen, I think it's so perfect. And I have this on a black Mosier cake stand to lift up the arrangement. Now here in the back, I've got my Santa Countdown to Christmas sign. I picked him up at Hobby Lobby the other day. Thought he was so cute. And I've also got a little house. He's sort of a mid-century modern. I think he's so cute. And I've got a little sign. Happy Holidays. I thought these little signs looked a lot like the Vegas signs. And I picked those up at Hobby Lobby as well. And I've got the little camper with the tree on top. I have a cake stand that matches the salad plates. Here's another little Santa sign. Now here at the back corner of the table, I've got a cute little set. They're winking Santas. This is the mugs. There's 6 mugs that go to it. And I believe I got it at an estate sale a few years back. Let me get a little better shot of it here. Isn't he cute? And there's his little mugs. And he's winking one eye at you. Got a little Christmas tree. And I've also put some little vintage bells. I think I may have picked those up in an estate sale. I just strung those around the table. Here's a sweet little snowman with his top hat on. I believe I got that at TJ Maxx a few years ago. And I've also got a vintage bell. You pull the little ringer at the bottom and it plays a tune. I think I picked that up at an antique shop. And on the backs of the chairs, I've just laid a different Christmas hand towel. This one's got candy. And then this one has a Christmas tree pattern on it. This plate's got Rudolph. And I've got a little Santa figure. It's old, probably from the 50s. It has they call it spaghetti trim, I believe. I think I picked that up in an estate sale. I'll show you a little bit of Mother's kitchen. Her stove is a Rancho range. We found it in an estate sale. Someone had put it in their storage building and it works. It was so clean, Mother couldn't even get any dirt off of it. And she's got all sorts of collections of dishes. I think this is some of her Campbell's back there. And then she's got some cute little poodles. Gotta have those for 50s. And then here above is her polka dot dinnerware hanging on a whisk pot rack. I found that at Jenny's. I thought that was so cute. Here's some more of her collection of glass. Here's an old wreath that I found in an estate sale, and I gussied it up with a new bow and added in a little more of my plastic holly to it. Mother has a big collection of pie plates and pie stands. This is her chef area with all the little chefs. We got the diner signs, and the old radios. Here's an old cake cover. More old radios. This is a sweet little Snowman Lamp. I found it a few years back at Goodwill and rewired it, and I covered a shade for it. Mother has a gas pump from the 1950s. It lights up. The gas price on it is 39 cents. Here over the cabinets, we've got some more diner signs. And on the shelves, we've got a collection of cow creamers. Some of these are really old. We found them at estate sales and at antique shops. Got some of the dinerware up here. And I call this her automotive section. She's got the little Woodies and the pink Cadillac and the camper cookie jar. I think her toaster radio is so cute. It's a toaster and a radio. Got some little M&M guys. And over here by the fridge is all of our Pillsbury Doughboys. At some point we kind of got into branding things, and we started collecting a lot of the brands that we're familiar with these days started in the 1940s and 50s. And so we started collecting some of those items too. We got an old lamp. I had to order a new shade for it. There's some poodles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Merry Christmas!